Many charities in our region depend on the Community Foundation for Kingston and Area for support for special projects. I'm joined by Tina Bailey, Executive Director. So Tina, how are you and your family doing?
We're doing fine. The Community Foundation team, like most people, is working remotely. So I was going to say to you and your viewers, welcome to my living room. We're all working at home to continue the basis of the work of the foundation while being physically distant. So it's going well. We're adjusting to the new norm for the next little while.
And has the Community Foundation had to change its focus given our current health situation?
Absolutely. So the Community Foundation is a public charitable foundation, as you and some of your viewers will know, and we're all about connecting the generosity of donors with areas of community need. And as you said in the intro, community needs are changing, and they're changing quickly. So what the board of directors has done is we have a fund, our most nimble and flexible fund, called our Smart and Caring Community Fund. What we normally do is we normally release a grant of $1,000 every month. And in this case, because the agencies approved for granting are on the forefront right now responding to need, we released those checks last week, and we're having another call for proposals due on Friday. So we'll take another look at what we can do and how we can get that funding quickly to where it's needed most.
It sounds like a wonderful response to a growing need, and especially for the most vulnerable who are really hard hit.
Absolutely. It's been wonderful to see the response of the community to this, really rallying. We participate on biweekly phone calls organized by Sophie Koala, bringing together those service providers, so they can communicate with each other what's going on, what are they seeing, and they are reporting an increase in needs. I sent your producer a graphic there about where some of those programs, so that's great information to be getting out into the community.
And the other part of the Community Foundation, of course, is you have to get money in order to distribute money. So how has that changed? I know you can't have your fundraisers anymore. How is that going?
So that hasn't really changed for us. Events aren't really a big fundraiser for us. That said, certainly we've had to put on hold a number of events that we normally host, like our speaker series, and we were planning a poverty challenge. So we're actually in a good position right now. Granting for 2020 is just about to begin. So we have those funds available now at a time when arguably they're needed more than ever.
So that part hasn't changed, and that's great. Now, could you give some advice to the various charities? What advice do you have for them?
Well, I think the world is changing so quickly. What I'm hearing, because I'm trying to keep connected with a lot of the charities that we fund and support over the years, finding ways to continue to deliver their services in new and different ways that protect them, their volunteers, their staff, and the clients. So they're doing great work. A lot of the other charities still looking to see what the impact, the long-term impact of this will be on them. So my advice is just stay connected with the Community Foundation. We're there, we're listening. So really stay connected with us. Watch our website for updates. We will be, looking at different ways that we can change our granting to be most responsive to this very unprecedented time.
Thank you so much, and stay safe.
Thank you. You too.